Hi, I'm Alicia from Compressor Services in Greenville, South Carolina. Today we're going to show you how to prepare your compressor for hot summer temperatures. We talk a lot about winterizing a compressor, and sometimes we forget that summer temperatures rise and our compressors need a little more attention. Let's walk through the steps for getting your compressor ready for those hot summer temperatures. Please remember, before starting any compressor maintenance, always make sure you have your personal protective equipment. Let's get started. Make sure your area is clear and free from hazards. Lockout tagout is the first and most important part of safety protocol. Notice our technician during the process. As he locks out the handle, he uses his right hand and turns to the left. This is to avoid a possible arc flash. He then checks to make sure the panel is locked securely. Check the control panel to verify that the power is truly disconnected. The next step is to isolate the air system by turning the handle to the off position. Summer means higher ambient temperatures, and heat is one of the fastest ways to stress a compressor. Start by inspecting and cleaning your oil cooler and aftercooler. Dust, lint, and debris act like insulation, trapping heat where you don't want it. Make sure cooling fans are operating correctly and that the airflow around the machine isn't blocked. Even a well-maintained compressor can overheat if it can't breathe. As temperatures rise, oil thins and oxidizes faster. Verify the correct oil type is being used for summer operation and review oil temperature trends, not just alarms. If your compressor consistently runs hot, you may need to shorten oil change intervals to prevent varnish and internal wear, or change to an oil with a higher temperature rating, like our ACS Ultimate Oil, rated for 240 degrees with a lifetime span of 12,000 hours. Warm air holds more moisture, which means summer puts extra strain on your moisture separation system. Check your moisture separators and confirm automatic drains are functioning properly. This is also the time to evaluate whether your dryer is sized appropriately for summer humidity, not just for winter conditions. Hot intake air raises discharge temperatures and reduces efficiency. Inspect intake filters and ensure the compressor isn't pulling air from an overheated or poorly ventilated space. Whenever possible, cooler intake air means a cooler, more efficient machine. Heat also affects electrical components. Inspect starters, contactors, and VFD cooling fans, making sure vents are clear and ambient temperature ratings haven't been exceeded. Many summer nuisance trips are electrical, not mechanical. Summer doesn't usually create new problems, it exposes existing ones. Taking a few proactive steps now can prevent downtime, service calls, and costly repairs during peak demand. If you're unsure about your system's readiness for summer, now's the time to start checking it out. Thanks for watching.